Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Priyanka Saokar Navale. Today I'm going to talk about a different topic. So it's like in my lifestyles section we are adding few topics related to the product review and few problems which we are facing day to day life, something related to the hair issues, weight loss issues and all those sort of problems. So this video especially I am making my problem with the connectivity of the mic with the iPhone. As we all know, the iPhone doesn't have that particular slot for the connection of microphone. So how to connect it? Okay, so what you are supposed to do in iPhone, the lightning to headphone jack, it will come like this. Okay, you are supposed to purchase this product. Okay, so this part will go where the charger, we actually charge our phone. Okay, charger port, and here you can connect your microphone with this point. So suppose currently I'm using Boya mic. Okay, so this is my mic. I'll just show you. So this is the mic I have. I'm using Boya, the basic mic. Okay, so this mic's port will go here. Okay, like this, and this part will go inside your iPhone's charger slot. So it is very nice, very easy, very convenient. Clarity is very good. Only thing, you have to buy the product which is made by Apple company only. So this is the product. If you want anything in detail, I'll be giving the link below. The Lightning 3.5 mm headphone jack adapter is the name. Okay, so take care guys, be safe, bye bye.